Okay, so the first thing we're going to do to make sure that we can actually see file extensions, as you see on the computer, you see a .bat file to make a batch file, is we're going to open up Windows Explorer, and we're going to go to View, and we'll go to Folder Options. On older versions of Windows, the option was under Tools on the top menu. You're going to go to the View tab, and you'll scroll down, and you'll make sure that Hide Extensions to Known File Types is unchecked. You'll hit OK. Then we'll go back to the website. And we're going to go to the batch file. And we're going to take all the code. We're going to copy and paste it into our favorite text editor. Okay, we'll verify that this looks correct. And we will save it. I'll save it on the desktop. And your text editor might not have all these options. If it doesn't, just type in. So I'm going to name it fin.bat. And we'll just click on it to make sure it works. So I'll do this for money for something I paid for. So I went to Target and I bought some clothes for $21 the other day. So I put that in the category of clothes. I paid with a Target gift card, so I note that for myself as .-gc. And that's all. So, and I'll show you the spreadsheet. Give it some time to load. Okay, so now on the spreadsheet, since I use a separator for I use tabs as a separator. I'll click OK. And this is my entry form. So this is the entry that I just put in. So the company I paid, the date I paid it, the amount, the category, and the payment type. And that's it.